Hello people, welcome to my video on Forex Talk. So without wasting much time, let's talk about EURUSD. I have called EURUSD to the downside in my previous videos, so let's talk about it again. Now, before I proceed with the analysis of EURUSD, if you have been watching my videos, don't just watch and pass. Smash the subscribe button, comment, share this video, and also like this video. It helps this page grow, it helps this channel to grow. Please do that. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button right there. You have 5 seconds to do that. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's dive into the chart on EURUSD. Now on EURUSD on a daily time frame, on my chart right here, you can see EURUSD on a daily time frame. I am going to take my time to analyze EURUSD. Please, this video might be long, but watch to the very end. Now, before I proceed with the analysis, I repeat, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button right there. Watch, comment, share this video, and like. So let's go to the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame, to see what's happening on EURUSD. In the past, like I've said in the past, I have analyzed EURUSD to the downside. So let's still come back today to still analyze the chart, and let's see how EURUSD is going to drop. Now on the weekly time frame, you can see that EURUSD is on a bearish downtrend. For many years back, EURUSD has been on a very downtrend, creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, EURUSD is on a downtrend. Look at it. Look at the downtrend. Look at it. It's on a bearish downtrend. It's on a what? It's on a bearish downtrend. Look at it. Look at the trend. It's on a bearish downtrend. Even a 2 years old child can say EURUSD is on a bearish downtrend. So now since we have seen it that EURUSD is on a bearish downtrend, so what we are going to be looking for on the lower time frame is what? Is selling opportunities. Opportunities that is in line with the higher time frame direction. So now on the weekly time frame, let's work with the what? With the immediate trend right here. Now 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 on the weekly time frame, this is the immediate trend. We have a push down in the past. Price pull back for a retracement. Price pull back for a retracement right here. Look at it. Price pull back. Price pull back for a retracement. This is the retracement, and this is the retracement, and also for the okay. Come, let me adjust this thing. Okay, and also since 2023, euro price has been moving sideways in a range. Within the pullback movement, we have a sideways movement, and we have a sideways movement, and the price eventually break out of that range and is pointing to the downside for the new push to the downside. Now, if you use the Fibonacci from right here, from the swing low right, and from the swing high right here down to the swing low, let's see the next Fibonacci level target. Now the next Fibonacci level target is this black bar right here at about 0.88025 level region. That is the next Fibonacci level target if euro price should start to push to the downside. Now also, if I should now let's measure the pip count from right here. Now let's measure the pip count. Or let me take that again. Okay, let's measure the pip count. What is wrong? Okay. Now this is about okay, let me adjust the screen. Okay, and this is about 1656 pips for. We are expecting euro price. We are expecting euro price should what? Should fall for 1600 pips. That is a lot of pips to this next Fibonacci next level target right here. Now we have seen what we need to see. We have seen what we need to see from the higher time frame. We have seen what we need to see from the higher time frame, that on the higher time frame, Euro USD has been on a very downtrend. It has pushed down right here. It has pushed down right here. It has retraced. We have the counter trend line. Price has break out of the counter trend line and is pointing to this next level target right here. Euro price can still come to priority right here to push down. Priority means an equal lows. Euro price can get to this key level of support right here, and what and this level of support might reject that price from going to this level here. But whenever price gets here in the future, and this key level of support level was unable to reject that price back up, Euro price is still going to crash down to this Fibonacci level target right here. Before we can see Euro price come back here, it needs to get here first. When it gets here for this key level of support, will be our determining factor if Euro USD will push back to the upside, or it will come down here. But now as it is now, Euro USD is still going to drop. So now let's go to the daily time frame to look for the immediate trend within the overall trend that will take us for a sell to the downside. So a recap from the weekly time frame, Euro USD has been on a bearish trend, creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs. We have seen a push down right here. A retracement has been formed. We draw the counter trend line. We have the first touch, second touch, third touch right here, and upon the fourth touch, price break out of that trend line and it pushed to the downside, breaking this previous support. Now, breaking the previous support has turned resistance right here. So now we should see Euro price pushing down to this key level of support right here. Now let's go to daily time frame. To see in details of what the weekly information has told us. Now on the daily time frame, I remembered in the past, in my previous videos in the past, when I analyze where I analyze Euro USD, I say that Euro USD need to pull back to this key level of support right here. Let previous support turn resistance, and this was the pullback that I was calling right then. This was the pullback that I was calling that, and this was the pullback that I was calling that we need to see price climb this trend line to this key level right here. Let previous support turn resistance right here. But the price has its own way of doing things. The price has its own way of doing things. Price did not get here. And what did market do? The market break out of this counter trend line right here, and push to the downside, leaving this one open. And when that happened in the past, I said okay, it might be price still wants to do one or two things before coming back here. I was still certain that Euro USD price is still going to come back here. Let previous key level of support turns new key level of resistance. The pullback that I was anticipating right here in the past. Look at now. Euro price pushed down right here, and what? And it pushed up back up right here to fill this place properly. Now Euro support, now previous support has now turned resistance on the daily time frame. We have seen it clearly. We have seen it clearly. We have seen it clearly now that previous support has now turned resistance right here. We have now on the daily time frame now, we can see a candlestick pattern called a an evening star right here. This is an evening star candlestick pattern right here. If this day candle should close like this is what a complete evening star. We cannot say it is not yet an evening star yet until this day candle close like this, close with an evening star, because the market day has started. We can see what euro price pushing up again. We can see what euro price pushing up again. So above all, presently right now, this candlestick chart pattern is called an evening star right now, as it is now. So now now okay, now that we have seen what we need to see, previous support has turned resistance. Previous support has turned resistance properly. We need to see price break. We need to see euro price fill this level properly. Break out of this counter trend line right here. We push euro price down right here to this previous level of support. Like I've said earlier, previous support has turned resistance. This is now a key level of resistance right here. Now we have an evening star right here. This is an evening star right here. This is an evening star. We have an evening star right here on this key level of support. Of resistance. Now we need to see a daily candle. We need to see a daily candle break and close outside this counter trend line right here to look for selling opportunities on the forward time frame to push down. But mind you, but mind you, but mind you, we have a minor level of support right here that cannot be overlooked, because when price gets here, this yellow bar right here can still hold price from going lower, and this yellow bar right here can still push this price to the upside. When price break and close, outside this yellow bar right here, outside this counter trend line, we need to see a daily candle break and close right here. Then this yellow bar too, we need to see price. We need to see the yellow candle to price break and close right here. We can now start looking for selling opportunities to the to the to this to this to this key level of support right here. Just that Euro USD is still not ready to move. Euro USD is still what is looking for, what is calling traders, I want to go on a short sale. Start preparing your bags. Start preparing your luggages. Come and join me. I want to take a lot of you to the downside. This is what Euro USD is telling us here. Euro USD is telling us that traders is knocking on our door. Everyone, come. I am ready to push the downside. I have formed an evening star. I have formed an evening star on a key level of resistance on a daily time frame. So it's just telling you that what we need to do right now is to see Euro USD price. Is to see Euro USD price break out of this counter trend line, break this yellow bar right here, close below it, then Euro USD should start selling to the downside. Euro USD what? Euro USD should start selling to the downside to this key level of support right here. To this key level of support right here, like I've said earlier, the next Fibonacci next level target is this this green bar right here. Before price before price before price will come here, price has to come here first. Is this support right here, this key level of support right here, that will determine is this key level of support right here that will determine if price will come here or not. Price can get here and this key level of support might reject that price to the upside. So now on the daily time frame, we have seen what we need to see on the daily time frame. Now let's scale down to what? To the 4-hour time frame to see in details of what the daily time frame has tell us. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we cannot see in details. Right? We cannot see in details here. We cannot see in details that Euro USD price has been using this trend line, has been using this counter trend line as a what? As a stepping ladder to the upside, to this key level of support, of resistance. Previous resistance has now strong support right here. Previous support has now turned resistance right here. And as you can see on the daily time frame, we have an evening star on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have what? A double top. Both the daily and the 4-hour are both on the same line. They are both telling us that Euro USD is going to drop. Euro USD is telling us that pack your, like, prepare for me. I want to go short. I want to sell. I have already set my sell position right here. All I just need is to see Euro USD price break and close below this yellow bar properly. Then I will look for selling opportunity on Euro USD to to sell to this key level of support right here. So now the first level target for Euro USD price, after it has break out of this contact line and close below this yellow bar right here, is this yellow bar right, is this level right here, because price can get here and push back up again. When price gets here, when price gets here in the future, we need to see what? We need to exercise patience to and we need to exercise patience to what? For price to break and close below this level properly before what? Before price will what? We keep pushing down to this key level of support right here. So now let me recap what I've said. From the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame, we can see that Euro USD is on a bearish trend. It has pushed down. We have used the Fibonacci level target from the point of the swing high to the swing low. It has retraced. It has given us the retracement level, and also it has also pointed next Fibonacci next level target, which is the 100% retracement. Now, price has break out of the counter trend line. It has what? It has break previous support. Previous support has now turned resistance, and price is pushing to the upside, to the downside. On the daily time frame, I am recapping what I've said. On the daily time frame, we have an evening star on a key level of resistance. An evening star has been formed there. So now we are looking for what? Selling opportunity. We need to see on the daily time frame, we need to see price break and close outside this yellow bar, outside this counter trend line right here. This yellow bar to push price down. We come to the 4-hour time frame. We can also see on the 4-hour time frame, we can also see a double top right here, telling us that Euro USD is in line with the higher time frame. 4-hour time frame is in line with the higher time frame. The daily and the weekly, they are both pointing to the what? To the downside. We have seen it. So that will be that on Euro USD. Let's see how it played. I have already set my sell position. Once I see price break and close below this yellow bar right here, then I will go in for a short sell on Euro USD to this first level target. Second level target is here. Once price gets here, once price get to this yellow bar right here, it might hold. for some time before breaking down to the downside. Once in the past, I mean in the future, once euro USD price can break and close here, no doubt again, euro USD is coming right here. Euro USD what is coming right here to this key level of support. So that is that on euro USD. So if you have watched this video to this very end, please comment on this video, share this video, and like this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't smashed the follow button, the follow and the subscribe button, please do that right now. It does not take you anything. Thank you for watching this video to this very end. See you in the next video.